Welcome back everyone. In last video, we gave you a description about the dashboard of make.com. In this video, we are going to build a project which we have already discussed in earlier videos, the LinkedIn post automation AI tool. So in this video, we are going to build this project from scratch. So let me take you to the make.com. So this is the website for make.com. Here we have to create an account, or we can continue with Google. So here you have to, so it asks some simple question. You have to just give their answers. You can select any app here. Okay, after successful login, so here you can see we are on the dashboard of make.com. From here we just have to click here, create new scenario. So it give you option to build from scratch and to build from template. So we are going to build from scratch. Here we will select first the WordPress module, and here we select the watch post. So whenever a new post arrive, our module will trigger and start the flow. So from here we have to create a connection to WordPress. For that we have to log in into WordPress. I already logged in into my WordPress account. Here you have to install a plugin. You can see the plugin name is Make Connector, and you have to install it. I already installed it. Once you install it, you will see an option here, Make. From here you will be provided with an API key. This key is useful to connect the WordPress to the Make. So here we will create a new connection. You can set the connection name. Here you will be pasting the URL of your WordPress website as shown in the example, and here you will paste your API key. So here you paste the API key from the provided by the plugin and click on save. And from here you can select get from WordPress website. So I'm going to select all, and here you can set the limit how many posts in one go you want to fetch. So I am leaving everything to default. So here you select posts and click save. So here you can choose where to start. So here we will choose manually right now. So as you can see, there are 3 posts in my website, and these all are fetched here. Okay, so our next node will be, as you can see here, our next node will be Google Gemini AI. Add Gemini here. We can search for Gemini. We will create a node, and here similarly we create a connection, and here we will paste the Gemini key. To create the Gemini key, we just have to go to Gemini website. You can search Gemini API key. From here you can generate your, so as you can see my key is generated, API key is generated. Just copy it from here. So here I configured my API key. Just click on save, and now you have to configure the rest of the settings, like here which model you want to run. So I am going for, so from here we select our role. We select our role as user, and here we add our prompt. So here we can write a prompt to Gemini. So here I have written a prompt to return me a LinkedIn post about 30 word, and here I selected the topic from the output of WordPress. So here you can see this all is coming from WordPress module. You can select required data from here. So I selected the title of post, and according to that post our Gemini is going to create a LinkedIn post. Now here we just have to click save. Now we want to get the image from the WordPress website. So for that we are going to use HTTP module. For that again we're gonna search here, and we gonna select get a file. Here we just provide the URL of the file. So here we select the image URL. So this is the field where our image URL is saved. So just click save. After that we're going to add LinkedIn module. So search for LinkedIn. Here we're gonna click in this one, create a user image post. So here we are going to create a connection with LinkedIn. Click here. In this page you just have to log in with your LinkedIn credentials. So here just click allow. So our connection has built. Here select the HTTP get file. Here you want the title of your LinkedIn post. So you from the WordPress output, just you can select the title, or you can hard code it here. And the content, we will select the data from Gemini. From here you can manage the visibility and distribution. So to check the complete scenario, I just have to add a dummy post on my WordPress. So let's test that. So my post published successfully. Now let's run our scenario. So as you can see, this is the content which Gemini created, and this is published in our LinkedIn post. Let's check our LinkedIn account. So you can see here a post is appeared in our LinkedIn about email fraud which we posted on our WordPress website, and here you can see all the hashtags. You can control those hashtags. Here you can improve this prompt to get more accurate and more efficient LinkedIn post. So this project is completed. As you see, when a new post is appear in our WordPress website, this scenario get triggered. It passed the title of that post to Gemini to create a LinkedIn post and the URL to HTTP module to download the image. From here, the post generated by Gemini and the image downloaded by HTTP pass to the LinkedIn module, and it will post it to the LinkedIn. This is the hands-on project. Later in this module, we will provide you some topics and some scenario which you have to create by yourself. Thank you.